Summarizing such a long way in words, what a challenge. Anyway, we have to start somewhere. Gureak was created by some brave parents from the association Atzegi. Those parents took huge steps in the social, laboral inclusion of their sons and daughters with intellectual disability. They created a private company, a place where their relatives could achieve real inclusion in society through work. We started working in the industrial sector, for companies surrounding us. And look at where we are now. We are a referent, source of a pride for our region, Gipuzkoa.
I work as project manager for the technical industrial area of Gureak. We are Gureak RD team. We have two main objectives. Give an answer to the needs of people with disabilities that work for Gureak. By adapting work processes, we enable that people with bigger needs of support can work in a highly competitive market. Unlike standard companies, where people need to adapt to the processes, in Gureak, we are the ones adapting the processes to each one of our people, so that everyone can develop their capacities. We also aim to respond to the needs of our clients by offering them an integral solution. Thanks to this diversification and multi-technology, we are able to offer broader services to our clients. We are their partner.
I work for Gureak Zerbitzuak, the division that offers multiple services to different companies. I work for Ostalaritza, and we take care of all the details. I've always loved hotel industry. I was trained as a waitress in Gureak. They trained me for this job, supported me, helped me, adapted my working station so that I could carry out my tasks with autonomy and professionalism. Thanks to that, today I work for Gureak Zerbitzuak, and I love my job. My colleagues also work in cleaning and gardening. We are so close from you. We are in so many places, proving every day what we can do.
I had another job. Considering I have a physical disability, I decided to take the opportunity that Gureak was giving me. Joining Gureak Marketing has supposed another step forward in my career, giving me the chance to learn and develop myself as a professional. Because of my studies and capacities, we knew from the beginning that I will work for the marketing online department. I've been assigned tasks that are appropriate for my capacities. In Gureak Marketing, we offer integral services. We work close with other departments to carry out projects in which we also do printing and delivery.
We are focused on supporting people with disabilities in a personal and professional development. We aim to boost their capacities and find the most suitably adapted work opportunities. In Gureak Itinerary, we offer an individualized and professional counseling service in order to analyze the work or occupational opportunities that each person can have inside Gureak and outside Gureak. We design an individualized itinerary that adjusts best to each person, enabling training programs to match their own expectative. I work for the counseling department. My main function is to help people when they first come to Gureak and have a recognized disability. I help them, guide them. I become their mentor. They will have other supports, other managers, depending on the activity they will carry out professionally, but we will always keep having a close relationship. Today, I say goodbye to Juanjo. He retires. After all this time, you realize that things are not achieved without any effort. Behind every small achievement, it has been a lot of work. There has been years of illusion, effort. Thanks to thousands of stories as Juanjo's story, we demonstrate every day that together we are able to achieve a better and fairer society. I'm proud to belong to this great company and continue working so that people with disabilities find their way.